Welcome to Ebunge Movable Partition. This is Buffy. Before the check system is installed, please confirm that the steel structure can provide sufficient load-bearing capacity and that enough space is reserved above the ceiling. If you would like to get our installation guide and drawings for free, please leave us a message below. Ebunge Movable Partition panels are available in 65, 85, and 100 mm thickness, including super high systems for special projects. The system is suitable panel heights up to 15 meters, depending on set conditions. The check system is top-hanging and fixed to the steel structure using slotted loads and suitable steel connection brackets. No flow check is required. Typical installation space ranges from 180 to 380 mm or higher if required on-site. Final dimensions are confirmed on-site. The movable partition check system is designed for heavy-duty use, with load capacity typically range from 300 to 800 kg per meter, depending on the selected panel surface and the panel's height, the check systems as well. After the check is secured, movable partition panels are installed. Ebunge systems include a removable section called the active check, which allows panels to be hung safely and efficiently. Once installation is completed, the system is ready for operation. This structure is what the exact sample for the drawing you have sent. This steel material, it depends, the size it depends, because this is the ceiling level and this is the check position. This profile we will provide from this and the check and the panels. For the steel truss, it depends the set situation. That's why I asked what the top structure for the set, because usually we can use the steel truss to reach the height to more than 18 centimeter for 65 and 85 checks. And this truss, the height is adjustable. We can make the angle bar more bigger and make the screw more longer. Thank you.